Welcome back to LexCore, where we help you learn smarter tools for better justice. Today, we're doing a deeper dive into the Assistants feature. In this video, we'll cover four things: how to create an assistant, how to upload documents to your assistant, how to prompt your assistant, and how to export responses into your workflow, such as Word documents or emails. From the dashboard, move down to the Assistants button on the left-hand side panel. Once you click it, the My Assistants page will open. In the example shown here, you'll see 3 demo assistants already created. This is how your assistants will display on your screen. To create a new assistant, move to the right-hand side of the page and click Create Assistant. A dialog box will open where you can set it up. First, give your assistant a name. You can choose anything, but we recommend naming it after the case or matter you're working on. This makes it easier to stay organized and quickly identify your assistants later. Next, move down to the Instructions dialog box. For your convenience, we've included a short tutorial video on how to give instructions. Just click on the small eye icon to watch it. Adding instructions is optional, but highly recommended. The clearer and more specific you are about what role you want your assistant to play, the more accurate and useful its responses will be. Once you've entered a name and optionally instructions, click Create Assistant. This will immediately create your new assistant. To exit, simply click Cancel. Once your assistant has been created, you can upload documents to it. Move your pointer to the Manage Files button and click it. This opens the Upload panel. At the bottom, you will see an option labeled Choose Files. Click it to select files from your device, or simply drag and drop documents into the panel. These should be documents you've already downloaded from LexCore or other sources. You can select one or multiple files at a time, and once chosen, they'll upload directly to your assistant. Please note, you can create as many assistants as you like, but there are limits on the size of the documents you upload. If a file is too large, LexCore will display an error message. Here are some useful tips to keep in mind when uploading documents to your assistant. If a PDF is too large and LexCore gives you an error message, use your preferred PDF program to split it into smaller sections before uploading. Alternatively, you can compress the file to reduce its size. On the other hand, if you have several very small PDFs, you may want to merge them into one file before uploading. This not only keeps your files organized, but also helps your assistant process and analyze them more efficiently. Once you've uploaded your files, they will appear in a list under the heading Uploaded Files. In brackets, you'll see the total number of files you've added. Scroll down the list to view them. On the right-hand side of each file, you'll see a small red cross. Click this to remove a file if needed. If you'd like to add new or different files, simply choose them and repeat the upload process. Once you've finished uploading all the files you need, move your mouse to the right-hand side of the screen and click the Begin Chat button. This will open your assistant and start your conversation. Simply type your question into the dialog box at the bottom. Ask anything related to the documents you've uploaded. The use cases are endless. When you're ready, click the green arrow on the right-hand side of the chat box. Your assistant will begin analyzing your query and preparing a response. A timer will appear directly below the dialog box. Be patient. Excellence takes a little time. The assistants are designed for deep thinking and reasoning. Once complete, the response will appear scrolling down the page. At the bottom of each response, you'll see several icons, most of which are self-explanatory. You can copy the response and paste it directly into your workflow. You can export it as a Word document by clicking the Word icon. Or if you've asked your assistant to generate an email, click the Outlook button to open it instantly in an email format ready to send. Remember, you can always return to the green plus button to delete files, upload new ones, or update an existing document. This is especially useful when working with larger documents. For example, a 200-page commercial agreement, which you may want to build or refine piece by piece. We hope you found this video helpful. If you need additional support, please reach out to our team by email or use the chat box in the bottom right corner of your screen to connect directly with us. Have a great day and enjoy using LexCore Assistants.